A once beautiful, thriving forest is slowly being reduced to ash and dirt. In my community, deforestation and soil degradation have impacted biodiversity and soil quality. A forest that once provided a food source of mushrooms and caterpillars in abundance, birds of different kinds, and native vegetation has been reduced from its former glory. However, in the midst of this, a farm remains that uses intercropping processes to reforest and conserve and rebuild biodiversity and heal soils.
Habitat for the birds and trees. Probably have a symbiotic relationship with them. Especially who have got access to very little. We need money to bring things in, so we need to send things out. And the most valuable thing to send out that's not perishable, I don't know if it's poppy, which stores the carbon. So this is a tree. It lasts more than 5, 10, 20 years in the ground.
This farm has been doing intercropping and reforestation since 2009, and the impact you can see is outstanding. For one, the ground hornbill that used to be abundant but disappeared for years has reappeared, as well as mushrooms that have slowly disappeared from other areas close by. Not only is the biodiversity being conserved and repopulated, but the soil standard is increasingly high compared to the deforested land around. The farm uses organic practices to heal the soil, for example, chicken manure. Chemicals are rarely used, the belief being if the soil is healthy, chemicals are redundant. Sadly, the land next to the farm has a river and forest along it that has been deforested and killed. A land restoration project we wish to implicate to stop this impending deforestation is an outgrowing scheme with the same farming practices, such as intercropping and organic farming. We will plant trees within coffee lines and bees between the coffee lines. The beans are a crop that will provide food and income while the coffee and teak trees grow. Not only will the coffee and teak trees provide income for the people once they have grown, but they will provide a habitat for the biodiverse ecosystem around and prevent more trees from being cut in the river's catchment area. Eventually, this will lead to the reduction of water scarcity.